To use a Robinhood debit card, start by activating the card through the Robinhood app. Once activated, you can use the card to make purchases, withdraw cash, and pay bills. The card is linked to your Robinhood account, allowing you to access your funds directly. First, ensure you have the Robinhood app installed on your mobile device and that you are logged into your account. Navigate to the debit card section of the app to activate the card. You will be prompted to enter the card details and verify your identity. After activating the card, you can use it to make purchases online or in store. Simply enter the card details or swipe the card at the payment terminal. You can also use the card to withdraw cash from ATMs, with no fees for withdrawals from in-network ATMs. To manage your debit card, use the Robinhood app to track your transactions, balance, and account activity. You can also set up notifications to alert you to any suspicious activity or low balance. To add funds to your debit card, simply deposit money into your Robinhood account through the app. You can link your bank account or use other deposit methods to fund your account. Best practices for using a Robinhood debit card include monitoring your account activity regularly, keeping your card details secure, and being aware of any fees associated with using the card. It is also important to note that the Robinhood debit card is issued by Sutton Bank and is protected by zero liability insurance in case the card is lost or stolen. In the event of a lost or stolen card, contact Robinhood support immediately to report the incident and request a replacement card. You can also use the app to lock the card and prevent any further transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and effectively use your Robinhood debit card to manage your finances and make transactions with ease.